Dun, 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 dun. Good morning, TikTok. You guys have any questions? Ask away. In the meantime, keep making money. Content. Give me just 1 second here. All right. Morning, Precious.
Good
Just getting things set up
morning.
again.
What happened?
No, power went off or something. It didn't help that I didn't get up. How you feeling?
Good.
And if we ever need to get you on the microphone, put it right over there. Boom. Don't move it right there.
Ooh.
Okay. Now we're back up on YouTube, back up on TikTok, back up all over the place. All right. Candle said, "Good morning, Bree. Good morning, bootlegger.
Good morning.
Morning, my brother. Call after. Yeah, will do, my brother. Larry Cooper, good morning. Rico, good morning. Borgia, good morning. David, good morning. Larry, good morning. Philip, good morning. Manal, good morning. You're in the money on your sell stops again. All right, let's whip through a few while we're all here. Let's go over YouTube. Let's go over Bitcoin. 1 minute buy stop. Bitcoin. 15-minute buy stop. Bitcoin. 4-hour sell. Daily buy. Weekly sell. Monthly buy. Bitcoin. Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop. 15-minute buy stop. Ethereum. Daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop. Ethereum. Monthly buy stop. Ethereum. XRP. 1 minute sell. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30-minute 1 hour buy, fill in the gap. Daily buy to the blue line. XRP, daily buy to the blue line. Weekly sell to the blue line. Monthly buy, XRP. EUR USD, the opposite is USD CHF. So ERU USD, 1 minute sell. I don't know. 1 minute, 5 minute, where's the 5? Nope, past it. This is EUR USD, 30-minute, 30-minute 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop started been in it. Beautiful call from this morning. I mean, from last night. Perfection call. 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the line. We've been calling this trade off since before I can see it. Actually, since roughly around 5/11, so my brother's birthday. So yeah, it's been going down to its blue line. It'll hit that eventually. Uh, Daily buy stop EUR USD. Weekly sell stop. That's the great reset. Monthly to the monthly blue line sell stop EUR USD. GBP USD has the same weekly and to the blue line. But anyway, GBP USD 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Oh, that's nice. Just pop something in there. Just if it comes back up over here again, goes this way, we're absolutely taking that trade. 5 minute sell stop. Hell yeah, we're gonna take that trade too. Dips a little bit. We'll grab it on the way now.
Happy Memorial Day, Frankie.
Happy Memorial Day to everybody, Frankie. 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute 1 hour sell, GBP USD. I'm assuming it's going down to, yeah, it's USD 4 hour blue line also on a sell. Daily buy stop, GBP USD, weekly sell stop, GBP USD to the monthly blue line of ER USD. GBP JP, 1 minute. I don't know where she's rolling to. Buy stop. 5 minute sell stop. US GBP JPY, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, 4 hour, 4 hour. Damn, look at that weekly. Let's go to the monthly blue line. Buy stop to the monthly blue line. US oil. Nothing burger. Let me see this one. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line, US oil. It's going to rise back up, touch this red line, or go slightly above it right here, hook and come back down. I can draw that for you. This is US oil. So come up, hook, and come back down. So that's US oil. Also, I believe UK oil does the exact same thing. So there's that. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute oil, 30. So what is this, a 1 hour? 1 hour buy stop to the blue line oil. US oil, 4 hour sell stop. US oil to the weekly uh, blue line, sell stop to the blue line. Monthly buy stop, US oil. Gold, gold. I love it in gold. It's so easy. 1 minute sell stop to the line already happened. It's probably going to happen again. Then you're going to see a 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy stop gold. 30 minute 1 hour sell stop gold. Where's it going to? So it's 4 hour blue line. Let me see. Yep, so it's 4 hour blue line. Daily buy stop gold. And that's it. It's a daily, weekly buy stop. And that's gold. All right, let's go back over SPX. 1 minute. Sell stop, SPX. 2-inch blue line or close. It's already there, but you can get a little closer. 15 minute buy stop. That's all you need. 15 minute buy stop. So there's a sell, one sell. If you don't like that, play the buy for later on and turn into probably a 15 or 30. 1 minute sell stop, NAS 100 to its blue line or closer. 5 minute nothing, 15 minute buy. 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop, NAS 100. US 30, sell stop, 1 minute sell stop. We should get into that again. Goes back downward and have some fun. We'll do it one time if we can get it before it moves. All right, just wait. 5 minute, nothing. 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop, US 30. You're in the money 4 or 5 pips. On US 30, just made money on US 30 1 minute sell stop. You're in the money on US 30 1 minute sell stop that I just called out a second ago. Look at it go down before your very eyes. On a holiday, very slow, no money really moving around in here, and we still made money on this trade. There you go. Lock in your profit or take profit. You just made, you're up 8, 9, 10 pips. Watch it go. It's going down to its blue line. Yay, there's money. Take that money and run. You're up $100. GBP USD, you're also in the money on, by the way, and you're up $10 on the current trade, $20 on the current trade. You're up $103 on these earlier trades. I still have a buy stop in place on long-term buy on NAS, so don't forget it. Look at this money you're making. There you go. You're welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. There you go. Take that money out. Take that money out. There's no reason to stay in the trade. We're up again twice. This isn't going to be big for you guys, but just to show you the trades I'm in. There you go. $8, $10, $90, $90, $97. And they have two other trades running. One's a buy on NAS, even though that's also going down. I'm staying in my longer term NAS. All right, let's pull this up here. All right, now, what are you trading? What's up, Justin? Trading over, here we go. That's a great question. I love when people ask that question because we show off our scanner. Scanner. We are trading over 200 different symbols. Everything you can track on Eagle. Oh, there you go. UK oil. Brand new one. UK oil. 1 hour. Buy stop one. Nice. Let's take a look. SPX sell stop 1 minute. Boom. There you go. Look at them all. Look at them. We're tracking over 200 different symbols is what we're tracking. SPX is one of them. Sell stop one to the blue line. Called out perfectly. Sell stop one NAS to the blue line. Called out perfectly. Look at these calls. Let me see the US 30. Oh, you guys, if you understood the power of the scanner that you now have, you could make your only own 2 out of 3. It's calling out sell stop ones to the blue line. This is your first heads up. This is a lesson on the scanner. You guys now have the most powerful scanner in the history of the world ever invented by mankind. It was done by Keith Palmer. What you're looking at is the ability to go 2 out of 3. I'm telling you what happened. I drew this out, wrote this out, and told you it was going to happen before it happened. Here's my writing. This is it. Look at what you're seeing right now. 1 minute sell stops to their blue lines, right? Well, this is it. It looks like on the scanner. We're going to have a 2 out of 3 scanner for your operation. You don't have to worry about figuring out yourself because I know some of you really have a hard time figuring things out for yourself. But this is it. Look at the power. Sell stop to the blue line. Sell stop to the blue line. Look what it's calling out for you. I don't know how much easier I can make this trade for you. It's the craziest thing on earth. It's telling you that there's a 2 out of 3 right here. And I still have to get down to our other one. So hold on. There it is. UK oil, brand new. When it's new, you trade it. If it's not new, you don't trade it. If it's spinning, it's within 5 minutes, you can look at it. See that right there? This is a buy stop one. UK oil. So let me go ahead and pull up UK oil. And we're trading all indices, all Forex, all cryptos that are majors, and all stocks, period, as long as they're big. That's what we're trading. Now, UK oil, I don't even know if we have it. So let me open it up. Symbols. Let's go over. This is fantastic. I mean, we're dead slow in the today, and we're still making money for all of you. Is that the craziest thing you've ever seen? Look at how good this is. Oh, we do have UK oil. We open it down at the bottom. All right, let's go down to the bottom here and see what we got in UK oil 1 hour. First of all, I call it every time frame, so let's do it. 1 minute sell stop. Yeah, that's fine. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. UK oil. 1 hour buy stop. It is 100% correct, and it's going to the blue line. 100% to the blue line, correct call on UK oil. The scanner just called this green, 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 red, green, green. That's a simple explanation. We can buy stop up here somewhere, it goes to the blue line. There it is. There is the correct call done by the scanner trading to the blue line, so you guys don't have to. And it verified it on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour time frame. I swear it's smarter than me and 99% of all of you to scan this. It's just like, oh, look, we have more of them calling right now. Let's take a look. See, I wish you guys would head over to the, let's see. Can you see it well? Yeah. Look at this. Look at the power. Look at the power of these things. Holy tomatoes. I wish you guys would head over there, but nonetheless, let's bring ourselves. This is everything. Take a look. You're looking at the power where it puts a banner up, new safety trade NAS 100, US 30 minute one. And then you just saw it come up. There's a new safety trade SS1 down to the blue line NAS, SPX, and US 30. Whether it happens or not, this has already called this out 3 times this morning, so there's your answer to that. Is irrelevant. The point is it's making the correct call each time, and you guys can make some money on it if you confirm these calls. Look at that shit. Just a thing of beauty right here. Beautiful. Sell stop again. I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to put it over here. Don't forget about the longer term buy stops, the 15-minute buy stops. See what NAS is looking like. And I'm in a long term buy on NAS just so we're all clear. Let's see what SPX is looking like. Not touching it, but it is the correct call. So now we have, let me see, US 30. And US 30, don't forget for 1 second, you're in a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. I say it's going to go down to this 30-minute line. That's what I thought last night, anyways. It's going to come down, hook, and come back up. I don't know about today, mind you, because it's ridiculously slow. That's what it is. Put your sell stops down here. Wait for it to turn and come back. If it doesn't turn and come back, you don't lose any money. If you're going to wait and do a 15-minute buy, make sure you have your 15-minute buy stops between red line and a blue line. You have to get every pip. Just get the red line and blue line. It's popping up more safety trades for us. Let's take a look. The scanner is the most unbelievable tool you'll ever have to trade with. It's alerting you on a banner and on your actual screen itself. You can see sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Look at those. Then you can see the buy stops. Let's go on down and see what the new ones are. Japan 225. You can click on the picture. Can you imagine being able to click on a picture on your scanner and see if this is accurate or not? It is. You can see red, 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 green, red, red, and then it's going down to its blue lines. This is an SS1. Wow. Scanner is exceptionally incredible. I can't even imagine how fantastically great this thing is. It's amazing. Where's our thing at? This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. Where's our scanner go? Do, 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 do. There it is. All right. So here we go. Japan 225. I'll take a look at it and see. Look at them all. Japan 225, 5-minute, NAS, SPX, US 30. Wow, this is a blast. Whenever you see these things, it smells like Christmas every damn day. So let's pull this back over again over to here. So we're off that. Let's go over to here and go to Japan 225, which again, I don't know if we even keep that thing open. Let me open it up. We're going to go to symbols. And we're going to go over to indices. We're going to go, nope, don't even have it open. Let's open that. Japan 225. Here she is. It is a 5-minute sell stop to the blue line. That is correct. 1-minute buy stop to its blue line. Japan 225, whatever the hell that is. Obviously, it's Japan 225. I have no idea. Buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute. Sell stop, 5-minute. 15-minute, nothing. 30-minute, probably a 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, 225, Japan 225. 4-hour, nothing. Daily, nothing. Weekly, your two ladies are buy stop. How easy this was. Wow. Amazing. All right, let's take a look if we can see any kind of um, Forex pairs of some cryptos. Crypto, nothing at the moment. Stocks, nothing because they're not even open. Crypto, nothing. Forex, nothing at the moment. We'll keep Forex open for a minute. Let's see if something pops up on Forex next. All right, let's go back to US 30 and wait. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. Let's see, NAS also. NAS 1-minute sell stop. SPX 1-minute sell stop. Personally, I have a feeling they're going to start breaking up to the blue line here soon, but we'll wait. No reason why you can't stay right here on NAS and watch see what it does. Now, let's see. Gold 1-minute sell stop to the line again. 5-minute buy stop. Gold's 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute buy stop. Gold 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute buy stop. We trade gold, oil, all Forex majors and crosses, all major cryptos, and all stocks. That's what we trade. All right, let's go back and just wait right there for a minute. All right. Close down two of my US 30 trades. We're just have two open on that. And I got to do that GBP USD. We got to look at that one. We have to scanner from. Come on, Kevin. Still waiting for your response. Gift the gen. What? Who the hell is this? I wasn't looking. Dude, you don't interrupt and you don't ask multiple questions. You can leave. Gift the gen. How about that? Happy Memorial Day, Italian Frankie. Great morning, King Nelson. Good morning, King Nelson. What are you trading, Justin? I already just told you over 200 symbols. Please explain, gift the gen. I will explain. Don't ask again, gift the gen. Hi, Kevin. When you say buy step, it's a pending order A buy stop is a pending order. Left finding traders, the FPP just brought me to you. What type of trader are you? What's up, Lauren? You're our second or third, Lauren. Good morning, Lauren. What kind of trader am I? I'm a trader who's invented my own system and helps other people trade by trading every day with you guys. So that's what kind of trader I am. New trader. I've been doing this for 9.5 years. The last 15 months, 16 months on TikTok Live. Where do we get the scanner from? You have to buy the scanner after you buy the system. Good morning, sir. I just want to understand this all. And you will. Good morning, Lauren. I guess I meant, what do you like to trade? We focus on US 30, SPX, about a dozen: NAS, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ERUSD, USF, GBP, USC, GBY, US oil, and gold. But what we trade, you should head over to YouTube so you can see the power of the scanner. There's over 200 different symbols at any given time. The scanner is scanning all time frames on all indices. It's scanning gold, platinum, silver included in this room right here. We're scanning for all these indices for the way I trade. It's been programmed by Keith Bri. Then it trades. We're trading Forex, so all the Forex majors and crosses are being traded all at once in here. All 8 time frames, over 200 symbols. How many stocks in the precious? Over 50 something stocks. Yeah, almost 60 stocks alone. Then we have cryptos. Every major crypto, including Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA, all of these are your cryptos. None of the small cryptos, though. We don't trade the shit coins. The meme coins, the other ones. You can make money on that thinking. We just don't track it. That's all. All right. And then all stocks. But of course, we have no stocks today, but tons of stocks, nearly 60 different stocks. So the system works on all time frames. It works on all over 200 different symbols. And if you're looking, this is what we trade. There's Netflix. Oh, we nailed Netflix. And don't even get me on NVIDIA, Netflix. What was the other one? Oh my gosh, we crushed these. I was going over with somebody in my family um, over the weekend. He's like, well, "What about this one? What about there?" And Tesla, forget about it. Walmart, anything that you can put in here, we track. Anything that's in the MT4 MetaTrader 430 XS. There's indice room, Forex room, crypto room, and stock room. It's up at all times. I'm watching them right now. And then I'm watching Forex right now. And then when they pop up, I'll tell you, and that's how we're going to trade them. Morning, morning, non, said good morning, precious.
Good morning.
Morning, health, family, wealth. The scanner is a beast. I know, isn't it? Lauren goes, holy cow. Yep. All right. So let's show you how easy this is to trade, so you guys can get a good feel for things. What is this? US 30? No problem. Let me switch over to US 30 real quick. Let's go over to the 1 minute chart. We're going to go over to US 31 minute. And we'll just swing around here. I'll show you on a 1 hour, much easier. 4 hour sell stop, US 30, 4 hour sell stop. Don't forget it. And we'll look at it actually. Let me take some of these lines off there. All right. Yeah. These purple ones are just when I was in last. That's all. All right. So this is how easy it is to do. The system was made for beginners to learn. First thing is you have to um, unlearn what you think you know about training and relearn the correct way of trading. So what do I mean by that? To unlearn everything that you think you know about trading means that you think you might know um, about trading. For instance, when I thought I knew about trading was, oh, Fibonacci retracements. Tell me if any of this sounds familiar to any of you new guys. Oh, I wonder if trading with the VWAP, volume trading was good. Ascending, descending wedges, naming of candles, you name it. I've tried it all for about 5.5, 6 years. Lost $26,500 over that time frame because 99.999% of the time you lose. So I typed in, do 1% of traders make money? Less than 1% of day traders actually are profitable. So if you go into Google, type that up. So any of you that think you have to, follow trend trading, um, support and resistance, news trading, where you trade the news, all of that is 100%, or let me rephrase that, 99.999% wrong. And it's not me telling you that. Type it into Google and see for yourself. So 99% of the time, that's why I was losing so much. I couldn't understand. I was like, oh, I mastered Fib and Fibonacci retracement. Then I found out the Fibonacci stuff comes from nature. Google it. Fibonacci, they have these pretty little patterns they found in nature and leaves and shells, and it's beautiful. But then they applied it to trading, and that makes zero sense, no sense. So I said, what the hell is that about? And then I found out about support and resistance and the breakthroughs, right? And what? That doesn't even make sense. Then what's support and resistance good for if it breaks through it? Ascending, descending wedges. Look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. Oh my God, I learned so much stuff. You have to unlearn all of that. Once you unlearn all of that, you can relearn the correct way of trading. The correct way of trading is so easy. So what do I mean by correct? The safety trade system, you can see it literally right here. I'm going to show it to you in 10 seconds on how to trade. It took me years and years, half a decade to learn not how to trade, and I can teach you how to trade in a matter of just seconds. Whenever you see this exact setup, so if you can see colors, you can see red against the white, red against the white, red against the white, green against the white, and red against the white, most important indicator in history of the world, the Bach, right? This right here is all you need to do. Once you see this pattern, you put a sell stop in, and each one of these candles is 4 hours, by the way, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. So it's ridiculously long. It works on the 1 minute also. And you can see literally how it went down. I don't know if you guys need to know how to read pips, but if you do, that's points. But that's over 700 pips. You'd have made this one sell stop. Yes, that's correct. 700 pips, not 5, not 10. Professional traders make 10. On this 4 hour trade right here to the blue line, total safety, you'd have made your 400, 700 pips right there. And it doesn't just happen on US 30, it'll happen on all the different symbols that you trade. It also happens on 1 minute, also happens on 5 minutes. 1 minute, beautiful. Let it keep going up. Now, I'm going to move my, I'm changing these things out now. Watch what we're going to do here. We're going to delete. We're going to now enter in over here, trading, sell stop. And I'm going to move this up and hold it here. Sell stop off the 5 minute line, but I believe you're about to enter into your 15-minute buy. You are. You're entered into your 15-minute buy to the blue line on US 30. It doesn't negate the fact that the 5 minute sell. You just have to wait 15 minutes. So let me see what US 30 is doing. We're dropping. I'm already in a long-term buy on this, but we're going to wait right here for it. And your pending or your sell stops and buy stops are pending order. I can tell you don't trade. They're called pending orders instead of doing a direct market orders, which is for silliness people who don't know how to trade. You want to do what's called oh, beautiful. I'm trade this one too. Delete. Reopen it right here. Okay. Now, you still have time for the 15-minute buy stops, which were called out about 14 hours ago or so last night. Called out to sell down to make this, by the way, and called it to go up, just so we're clear. So these calls are made beforehand, not after. And there you go. See what SPX is doing also. I'm sure it's the same thing because they all trade the same. There you go. 5 minute. 15-minute buy stop still available on SPX also. Feel free to take that. I'm going to drop in a sell though here. Just wait, see if it picks this up or not. Oh, nice. Thank you, Precious.
So I can charge my computer and stay in here.
Yep. You want me to go get it?
No. Wow. Turn up. Wow, good job. Fly to sky.
Fly out. That's what I'm just going to call him. I don't know.
Fly to sky.
All right, let's go here. All right, now, book, reading rainbow. I can do anything. All right. So what are we singing about? Fun and happy times. Let's go over to here. We're over here on YouTube. Let's go over
This is
Yeah.
Forex.
Well, I love when you ask that
A
question.
lot more.
What's up, Amen? What's up, MacArthur? What platform is this? MetaTrader 4? And let's take a look at what is being said on our YouTube channel, and then we're going to go ahead and show you what it trades. This trades Forex, crypto, trades everything. Let's take a look. This is what's currently happening. Everyone on TikTok and YouTube, speak up. If you have the system or if you've been stealing and scamming my signals I've been calling out for the last 16 months, year and a half on TikTok, go ahead and speak up now. Do you like the system? Yes or no? And is it hell yes, fuck yes, whatever you want to call it? I don't care. Remember the like button. Sure. Good morning, Sam UK. Sorry for not getting back to you guys. Morning, Shash on US 30 sell. Thanks to God, it's Hash. Isn't this the best? Good morning, Kim. Welcome back again, Kevin. You made us the 1%. That is correct, Bradley. Biowski, Kevin is Mr. Miyagi. You cannot fill a glass if it's filled. Yeah, there you go. Correct. You have to let it out. You can't fill a bus if there's already people in the bus. Kev, thank you, Kev. I made it now to turn 100 into 300,000 thanks to the system, up $3,000. I made it now to turn 100 into 300,000 thanks to the system. Nice. Biowski says, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Hell yes, says Bradley. 1,000% says Shash. Hell yes, get the system, says Kimberly. Hell Family West says hell yes. Biowski says, of course. Hell yeah, my Steve Austin voice says D nice. So these are people answering the question if the system is worth it or not. Thank you guys for speaking up. It's a slow day. I figured we should get it out there. That system is the only way to trade. I 100% agree with that statement. Thank you, Jason Backel. You need to change the name, Jason, to Bach. Well, middle name. Monique, good morning. Hell yeah. I like your system, says Gift to Jen. Everyone here should buy the system, says Larry Cooper. Yes, says Sog. Tarson says hell yes. Thank you guys on TikTok for speaking up. Thank you guys on YouTube for speaking up. Kevin, I don't know. What is this? MetaTrader 4 and Eagle FX. Well, and Hugo's Way, depending on which one we're using. Never trade was a scanner, Alan. Trade based on volatility. Yeah, you're going to really like this. You don't have to worry about volatility ever again. Silliest way. It's a gift. Says Leila. Thank you, Leila. All right, guys. So that's the thing. Let's go over the trading again so she doesn't. Now, scan, you don't have to have. Oh, by the way, new scanner trade. I'll teach you how to trade again more in 1 second. New scanner trade. You have this banner come up, GBP odds, AUD, 1 minute buy stop. Let's go down and see what the scanner looks like right here. So we trade all major currency pairs. Hold on. Come on. Where are we at? There you go. GBP odds. There it is. Buy stop 1. Nice. We should pull this up. You can also pick this up, pull up a picture. The picture pops up. Oh, speaking of which, I just lost the picture. I don't know where it is. Showing a lot. Well, nonetheless, if you're on YouTube, you can see it. It is the correct call, but we'll look at it again here in just a second. And that's the scanner call right here for us. But it trades this one here. We trade every over 200 different symbols. The scanner is scanning all time frames, all indices, all gold, oil, UK oil, everything like that is in the industry room. Forex is all your majors and crosses. Forex, crypto, all cryptos, including all the big. Oh, there you go, IOTA bit. I don't even know what that is. Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Solana. These are all your. Look at them all. Look at them right there. IOTA bit. Boom. Sell stops. SS3. Beautiful call. I'm sure that's right. There it is. And then we also trade all. Oh, we got to pull this over again. I wish you guys on. I gotta flip this. I know I do it. I figure out how to get this TikTok. And all stocks. There's over 50, almost 60 different stocks it trades. Amazon, Google. So it works in the stock market. It works in the Forex market. It works on, you can do thinkorswim options. You can do Nadex binary options. You can do E-minis, Tradeovite. You can use it anywhere you want, but it'll be installed on Eagle FX. By the way, you're in the money on your buy stops on US 30. I'm positive you are. There it is. It's going to its blue line. It's called out. These trades were called out hours ago for you guys. So take your money out, and run. There's no reason to stay in it. This is a buy stop 1 minute, US 30 anyways. take it, take it, take it, take it, take the money, take the money. It's going to go up to the 30-minute blue line now. Thing about it. And there it goes. You're in the money now on your buys. You made money on the sells earlier. I don't know what to tell you on that one. Easy money is what it is. Just keep taking it. Keep going it. There it goes up. There it is. You're going to touch this. There it is. There's our touch on the 15-minute blue line. Oh, not quite yet. We'll be there in a minute. I'll leave it right here for a second. So your entries could have been anywhere from here, here, or here. I have three different ones. You enter here to be up 20, and you'll soon to be up about 32. But again, unless you enter multiple times, close down all of them except for one. All right, so this is live. Well, who was asking, Lauren? I sent to look at the money. The system is strong. Yes, it is. We love to learn and then adapt it into an option. Absolutely, Lauren. Yeah, it works beautifully on options. Fantastic on options. Great morning. Good morning, Tracy. Gift from God. Thank you, Monique. I agree with that. Fidel, what's up? All right, so let's go ahead and teach Lauren how to trade real quick. You're seeing it live before your very eyes. When the pattern is this, let me make it a different way. Maybe you can see this better. Inside of this white rectangle thing, you're going to see green, 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 red, green, green. You'll place a buy stop above between the red and the blue lines, and it will go up and touch that blue line or come very close. And to me, this is close enough for shits and giggles, fortunes and millionaires. Y'all made your money on this trade. You're up, well, I don't know, 50, 60, $70, depending on what you're trading and how much you're in with on that buy, $54. And there it is. So if you can recognize colors and see patterns, green, 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 red, green, green, you can trade. You no longer have to worry about volatility, VWAP, volume, ascending, descending wedges, support, resistance. You no longer have to worry about, I don't know, Fibonacci retracements. How about the silliness of making of candles? You never have to worry about a railroad car or morning star or evening stars. Who is the insane person who started naming candles? I never believed that. So the first 5.5 years when I lost 99% of my trades, at least I never fell for that one. It made no sense to me to name a candle, none whatsoever. But anyway, when you see the pattern, put in a buy stop. A buy stop is nothing but a pending order, or in your case, you do a long position on a trade. And if you were trading, for instance, NADEX, you'd go over to NADEX, go over to US 30, look at it go up. It's about to touch its blue line. There it is. That is absolutely close enough. Look at where it is. There it is. There it is. NAS is doing the same thing, by the way. They all will. All three are. There it goes. Will it touch it? I don't know. Will it come close touching it? 100% absolutely yes, and it's doing it right before your very eyes. And these trades that you're looking at, these 1 minute sell stops to their blue line are close, 5 minute, 15 minute, which you're in a 15 minute buy stop right now, those 30 minute blue line. These trades were called out on a YouTube video live unchanged like they had been for the last 520 videos, about, I don't even know, 13 hours or so from last night. And there you go. There it is happening before your very eyes. So that's how you, now when you would take an option out on a 15-minute one like this, you take your options out in the morning, you know where it's going, you buy your calls or your puts, in this case, your calls, buy options, and if you're doing NADEX again, if you're doing NADEX binary, that's one of the safest things on earth, you'd get them in probably for about $40, maybe even a little better. You buy in the money, you get it for about $40 a contract, at which point then you buy about 10 or 20 of them, depending on how much you got and how much you do. The 10 would yield you, you go from about 40, you make probably somewhere in the range of $40 to $60 per contract. So if you get 10 of them, that'd be $400. You have 20 of them, that'd be $800 and so on. And that's how you play your NADEX options. I do have training on that, by the way. And NADEX options are superior. There's no theta decay or anything like that. But it does work on the E-minis and Tradeovite, and it does extremely well on Thinkorswim options too. Your typical options that you used. So there you go. So they're ready to learn your style. Did that make sense to you, Lauren? I hope so. If not, ask me and I'll go over it again with you. What do you think about France 40? I can tell you in 2 seconds. Let's pull up France 40. Let's go to the scanner and look at France 40 first of all. Here it is. Let's see what it looks like. France 40. Indices right here. New trade XPT USD. XPT Platinum, 15-minute buy stop one. Oh, nice. Platinum's going to the blue. I never heard of that before in my life. See, I can't watch all of them, but the scanner does. Let's go over to France. Can you see this in France? On ours. Yeah. Maybe the new internet at the new place will be better. Yes, they can't see it there. Okay, cool. So let's go down to France. There it is. France 40 is what was asked, I'm assuming. Oh, I lost my words. Shit, I think it was a France 40. Sell stop 1 minute. Thanks, Precious. 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. So let's look at France. So the scanner's made its calls, which calls exactly like me. Let's pull up France for them to see. I've never heard anyone in over a year and a half ask for France, but we're going to do it. Let's look at France right here. The indices right here. France 40, we're going to close it. It's going to come popping up at the very bottom. We're going to look over to here, and we're going to see France 40, 1 minute. It's going to be a France 40, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. France 40, buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute. France 40, hold on. Buy stop. France 40. Oh, beautiful. This is a beautiful France 40. 1 hour. Let me see on the 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, France 40. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So it's going to go up for a little bit for a minute or two, right? For the next maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe a little longer. And then it's going to turn into just a gorgeous sell stop. 1 hour, 4 hours, sell stop for France 40. Then it's a daily buy stop for France 40. So it depends on how you want to trade this. Are you trading this like Warren Buffett? Then it's a daily buy stop. If you're trading it a little bit faster, it's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. If you're trading it for immediate returns, I'd be looking for that 1 minute going up to the 5 minute mark and flipping back down. So there you go. That's France 40, depending on how you want to play it. All those will come true. They come true in order of 5 minutes, 15 minutes, so on. Look at it go. Yeah. All right, let's see. Do we hit the. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Yes. Do we have it? Does it hit? Did it hit? Yep. Oh, wow. Come on. Really? Close enough to the blue line by the damn system. Look at that. Boom. All the blue line the first time. Boom, boom. Once. Over here. Twice. 3 times here. 4 times it's gone up and pushed the blue line. Any one of these you could have made money with. Any one of these you could be up anywhere from 30 to 40 pips, 25 to 30 pips. Again, here you could have got in here. 20 to 30 pips you could have got in here and made your money. 10, 15 pips. Look at it right before your very eyes. Wow. Gorgeous. Okay. Just locking in some profits. That's it. You need a charger? Is it plugged in? I can unplug it. Yeah, should be plugged in all the time. Oopsie. There you go, baby. You're welcome. All right. Now, where were we? We have a blue line touch on Bitcoin. We have a blue line touch on Bitcoin. Blue line touch on Bitcoin. Let me get back over here. 1 minute. Let me get back over there. This up. Okay. So we almost have our 30 minute, but I do believe have our Bitcoin 1 minute touch that I called out for you guys. Yep. There's your 1 minute Bitcoin to the blue line sell stop on Bitcoin that I called out, and it touched the blue line. I know from that trade. That's how I know I called it. I'm on my other account in this trade. So touch this blue line, perfection. You can keep that, take it, whatever you want to do with it, doesn't matter. Take your profits out, whatever you're doing with Bitcoin on that one. That was easy. All right, let's go back here. 30. I think we're about to see our final push to the 50. Yeah, we're about to see our final push to that 15-minute line right there. I wish we just get it already. It's close enough. All right, $72 on that one buy, by the way. Un Libanus, you're welcome, Un. Lauren, if you still have questions, please ask me. Great morning to all. Good morning, Tracy. Already said that. Good morning, Phil. Good morning. All right. Anybody else have any questions? I'm going to whip through them again to see where we're at with a few, and I'm going to check the scanner. Wish you guys over here would just swing over to YouTube so you can see the actual trades. Are so fun. Oh, can you post in Discord? I'm live, and can you send out the email to everybody? We're live. Sorry, precious. My goodness, I forgot about it. Say we're up $3,200 on the thing, if you would please. I can do it. Damn, we're so busy this morning. I never said I was live. And this is why you sign up for the YouTube channel and get my YouTube channel alerts because I can't go live without hitting that. So, oh, God. So we're going to take a look at the scanner. And let's see what we got here. Let's scan it. Buy stop now is 1 minute. All right. We have the indices were checked. We're going to check Forex now, see if there's anything live in Forex. Yep, there's one. USD JPY sell stop 1 to the blue line. Interesting. USD JPY. USD JPY. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can find. Yep. USD JPY. Let's see. And it is a 1 minute sell stop to the USD JPY. Can't be 1 minute. That was more time. Oh, must be 5 minute. My bad. 5 minute sell stop. Let's see if I run. I did. It's a buy stop 3 on the 1 minute. My fault. Correctly read on all counts. 1 minute to the blue line buy stop, which was correct. 5 minute sell stop, which was correct. 15 minute nothing. 30 minute. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. USD JPY. Correct. So it read itself right, even when I thought it was wrong. It was still right. I was looking at I was blocking off the column. There it is. It's going to go up and touch this blue line right here. Or come close, which had to be in the money. 21. I don't know, 4 or 5 pips, something like that. This is a sell stop again. Red, 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 green, red, red. Sell stop. Bleep. There it goes. So this is a step-by-step trading system for beginners, especially. Oh my goodness, absolutely made for beginners. So beautiful call on that one. Let's check look at crypto, see if we got anything floating around in crypto and world. Yeah. Nothing on crypto. I'm gonna go back to Forex. We'll wait on Forex. All right. Now, trading futures today. No, you can. I'm sure Trade-5 you can check that out and see what it's going on with. I don't use it. You can use it for anything you want. You can use it for e-minis. You can use it for Thinkorswim options. You can use it for binary options on Nadex. You can use it for Forex.com trading. You can use it for anything you want. Eagle FX, Hugo's Way, Pepperstone, any market, Ninja, TradingView, any broker you want to use it on, you can trade with anything you want. What's up, Tuxie? Jason Bach, L, must hear Tuxie.
It was quite dramatic this morning.
US 30. Oh, okay. Let me go back to US 30. Thank you guys for looking out for me. He's a little dramatic.
He's with the theatrics this morning.
Oh, it hit? Let's see. There you go. Boom. There's a touch. I agree with them. That is a touch. We have touchdown on the US 30 that I called out live for you guys. Back here, back here, back here, back here, and also 12, 13 hours ago on the previous YouTube video. The previous YouTube video that you see, this is written out 1 minute sell stops to their blue line or close, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stops, and it's back to the US 30 blue line. It's now hits 15-minute blue line. You're welcome for these trades. How do I call them out? The people who bought the system understand how I look ahead, determine which ones are going to do what they're going to do, and then they follow suit. Buy stop 1 minute on NAS, by the way. Again. There you go. And there's your touchdown. That means touchdown. That means this green thing, your candle, went up and touched the blue line right there. and we're done with the trade. You can close down if you have three or four. Close down one out of one of two, out of three, or three out of four, and then get out of the trade. There's no sense of holding it. We're good. You said it's going to the 30. It is, but now it has to come back down. Reform. I'll draw it out. Oh, hold on. I'll draw it afterwards. Scanner alert. Scanner alert. Bingo. We need an alarm. You know what we need? We need to have the USS Enterprise alert. They can't block that, can they? I want the USS Enterprise alert sound. And then I want that put in the scanner. Keith, are you here? Scanner alert. I want mine to have the Enterprise. Enterprise alert. Surely they can't. That can't be. Is that copyright and patent protection? All that shit. Come on, away now. All right, Oz Japan. Let's go down to Oz Japan to see. There it is. This is an SS1. Woo! SS1. Let's click on the picture, see if it's correct. This is the only scanner of its type in the history of the world that you're looking at. The best scanner in the history of the world. Red, 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 green, red, 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 red. To the book, 100% correct call. 100% correct call. I still, as humans, overrule all this. I'm still going to pull up Odd UDJPY right now. I'm going to pull that up and look at it manually because that's what we do. Humans rule. You have to verify every trade yourself. We are smarter than any type of AI as trading goes. We are 100% smarter. And I know it drives them nuts, but that's what I was able to do is basically hack into their system and say, what? Oh, you got me to talk about them? I didn't mention any names. I listen to you most of the times. What am I looking for? Oh, crypto. We're looking for cross. Oh, there we go. Now let's see what it looks like here. Let's move this back in. I don't like trading calls. There we go. And there it is on the bottom. AUDJPY. Let's take a look. See. Oh, wait a second. 5 minute sell stop. Which one were we talking about? I got them in my hand. I thought it was. It's not Hush. Sell stop. Oh, but it was a 5 minute again. 5 minute. It's a 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute buy stop. By the way, now it is a 5 minute sell stop. So just go up a little bit further than come back down. This is a beautiful. I'm just going to put it in, place it above somewhere up here, and then just if it comes down and grabs it, great. If it doesn't, great too. We don't lose anything. 1 minute buy stop on NAS is in the money for you, by the way. In the money. This is fun on a slower pace. I just go back and forth, left and right, making you guys money. Look at the SPX go up. You're in the money on your SPX. In the money a lot on your SPX. You should be out if you're any of the newbies. Obviously, that's more than 1 or 2 pips. You're in the money again on NAS. Buy stop. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at NAS go up on the fill in the gap. Buy stop before your very eyes. Look at US 30 go down, as I just said. It's going to come down and do exactly what you see NAS. It's going to come down and hook and come back up. You see NAS cooking and coming back up. US 30 is going to do that exact same thing. Forex. Awesome, Kev. Thank God for the system. Absolutely, Gary. I agree with that. Thank God for the system. I guess we lost Lauren, or she knows what she's doing. I have no idea. Air Mains, good morning. Aaron, good morning, Bradley. I want my scanner to have tomato sound sirens. I don't think we can get it. Um, get it to have that for everybody customized, unfortunately. Morning, folks. Morning, Thomas. I hope all Americans. I hope everybody's enjoying a long holiday. And thank you for all our military that served, is serving, has served, did serve, gave their lives for us. God bless you all. Take you all to heaven, and thank you all for your service. Thank you all from me and Bri. All right, 64 of you on TikTok. I don't know how many's on YouTube, but whatever's on YouTube. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Finally in the money on the Bitcoin sales. Holy tomatoes, did that take time? Did that take time or what? Crazy how long. Now I have this. Let's open up our. I mean, Bitcoin on MetaTrader 4 is like, it shouldn't be done. It's so hard. Even when you're right, you're wrong. It's like a 60 pip spread. It's crazy. Like these ones are pennies. Those ones are crazy hard. I still did it. I want everybody loves Bitcoin. Let's show them Bitcoin. Okay, let's show you Bitcoin. Let's show you Bitcoin. These are my Bitcoin trades. Medium size accounts. We're up $600 or something on the trades. $500, whatever it is. $5.99. Here they are. These are the trades on one of my other computers. Right there. Trying to make it bigger for you. There you go. All right, this is our AnyDesk. This is on another one of my laptop computers. I have literally, well, I had three. I gave one away to a friend. So I have two laptops, more towers than you can comprehend. Five, six, seven, any given time, three, four, five of them are running. And that's straight. You just made $50 right now. We've been talking. This is the okay, question. And this is the account last week that started at 8,000. I'm sorry, it was less than eight. It was 6,800, I think. So 7,000. And now we're at 17,000. This is that same account, and now I'm trading Bitcoin for you guys so you can see with Bitcoin. There's the times in, there's the times out, there's the trade in, it's a sell, a 1.0, a 0.81. Oh my gosh. You have to come over. I mean, literally, I think it was like, it was 100 something, 180. I don't know. You have to come over this huge amount of negativity to get the money. But the system's so perfect it works anyway. And there's your Bitcoin trades. I'm only going to trade Bitcoin, and I'm going to have several of these different accounts going with Bitcoin so people can see them. And those are your live trades. And make your money. At 671, we just made $100 on Bitcoin while we sat here and talked. Over $100 as I was just talking to you. Just saw it make. Yeah, so that's your Bitcoin. Hello. Use MetaTrader 4. What's up, Lucy? Good morning, Lucy. And we just tripled our amount of females on YouTube watching us from 1% to nearly 3%. And yes, we're using MetaTrader. Correct. Get on. Most people on TikTok have no idea. So to start, how do you move money in? Like where to start, what to open for trading in this? You're very welcome. Ed Cambo, I can tell you in 2 seconds. Get 700 Bitcoin. Yes, 798. $798. We just went up $300 since you've been watching. $798. Yeah, the system doesn't work, right? Let's get $800. $997. Right before your very eyes. $1,000 trade live right before your very eyes. There's your $1,000. There it is. The system doesn't work now. It's so embarrassing, but it doesn't go. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna go close down one of those. Um, there you go. Right before your very eyes, you saw it drop down. There you go. There's go crypto. Now I'm gonna get some crypto guys. You watch and see how many cryptos we get the attention of now in a moment. Bitcoin. We're gonna get a whole shit ton of people for Bitcoin now. Watch and see. $1,000 made over $300, $400 live. And by the way, you're in so much money on your NAS right here. You're in the money on your NAS. Look what happened on US 30. You're in the money on your US 30 buy stop. What did it do? It went back up and touched the 15-minute line. Now it's past it, going to the 30-minute line, like I told you it was going to do. So you're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on SPX. You saw the money being made on Bitcoin. You're in the money on Ethereum also because it does the exact same thing. You're in the money on XRP. Why? Because it does the exact same thing as the other two. ERUSD. I don't know. You're in the money on the sell stop in ERUSD. That means you're in the money on the buy stop on Uniswap. GBP USD, did it go or where did it go? I don't know where it went to. Hold on. It's a 5 minute, 15 minutes. So not much on that one. I do know you're in the money on gold though also. Yep. And there you go. So take that to the bank. Now, why am I shorting Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is a 1 minute sell stop. You saw it develop before your very eyes. You saw the profit come in. Where are we at on that one? Where's the thing in? Hold on, let's grab it. Now we are up to $1,600 profit. You saw it at 500. Now you're looking at Bitcoin at $1,600 before your very eyes, right here. There's Bitcoin going down, called out, a sell stop. I got into it, sell stop. There's your money, $1,600 on a $17,000 account. It's a little larger account. I get that, but I have much smaller ones. I'm going to pull them all up for you. And there you go. There you go. Now I'm actually going to close down one of those. Never got around to got to talking. All right. So there it is. Yep. Beautiful Bitcoin trade right before your very eyes. Boom. You trade just cryptocurrency. No, Lucy. Again, Lucy, and I know you've seen this. Oh, we trade everything over 200 different symbols. We trade all 8 time frames, all indices. So we trade indices, which is NAS, SPX, US 30. We trade oil, gold, platinum, silver. Then in the next room, we trade all Forex. That's over all your crosses and majors. So ER, USD, GBP, JPY, OddsCat, OddsChef, all these ones, CapChef, EuroChef, Euro JPY. All of these are traded all at one time. It also works perfectly, as you just saw. As I know, when we do Bitcoin, I think I should have Bitcoin trading a year ago. Only trading Bitcoin live for you guys, other than when I do my other accounts. Those will be the indices. Crypto right here: Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, all the big boys. We don't trade the shit coins, the silly coins, the smaller coins. We don't. They can't be tracked. If I could track it on a chart, I'd trade it for you guys to be honest and accurate. But I can't. And then nearly 60 different stocks: Amazon, Google, Tesla. So it works on the stock market. It works on anything you want to trade. Tradeovite, E-minis, the futures, your Thinkorswim options, your Nadex options. It works on regular old Forex.com. It works on Pepperstone. It works on Eagle FX. It works on whatever you want to trade on, whatever version. Look at them all. And that's what we trade. So again, I'm positive she saw that multiple times. So we're trading hundreds and hundreds of different symbols all at once because our system has a scanner that scans for all of these, so you don't have to. It keeps track of all of them, so you don't have to. Very nice. I see now. So you can see all that. No, you have. Did I not just list, Angel, what we trade on? You can trade all of it on there if you want. That is correct. But no, you can use Nadex for options. You can use um, Tradeovite for E-minis or your futures. You can use Thinkorswim for your regular options. Look at it come down again. Buy stop, fill in the gap. 1 minute, US 30. NAS going to come back down to its line, pull in again. You guys can get another option to buy in again, another chance to buy in again. They're all reforming buy stops again, so just hang in there. And just wait. You're already in the money on all trades, all of them, all morning long. Don't forget for 1 second, there still is a 5 minute sell stop on SPX. There's a 5 minute sell stop on NAS, and there's a 5 minute sell stop on US 30. But it's going to be a minute if those are going to engage you. But they are there. Just and now it's a 1 minute buy stop again. 1 minute buy stop US 30. A buy stop is nothing more than a pending order. If you've never used one, you need to quit doing market orders. They take your money. Basically, market orders for silliness where you don't understand where the market's going. You guess and hopefully it does. And you lose. If you wait here and if it comes back up again, we make money. If it doesn't come back up again, we don't make any money. That's how it works. So our buy stops either win and we make money or it doesn't engage and we don't make any money. Period. And I have buy stops and I have sell stops, all of which are ready to go. Wait, if this turns back around, we make money. If this doesn't turn back around, we don't even enter the trade. That's called a pending order. Oh, what's going on with this thing? Well, I'm going to cancel this. There we go. Let's watch it make money for everybody again. Let's see what we got going on here. There's US 30. You're in the money if you got in here. You're up 10 pips. You should be out of the trade. If you're in here, you're up about 4 or 5 pips. You should be out of the trade again. US 30 is major money in 30 seconds or less. I told you it. There's US 30 doing this now. and you're in the money on US 30. There you go. You're welcome. What flow do you run your screen on TradingView? What platform? Our own platform. We made it ourselves, Angel. I want learning what I have to do. It's very easy. Kevin is your site. Safety trade. Our site is this site. There is only one that is correct. Let me show you exactly what it is. You're in the money again on that US 30 right now as we speak. This is the only, all the scammers out there try to steal from me and take it and try to do this and that. There is only one, the safetytrade.com. Type it in one word, it looks exactly like this. If anything else pops up other than this, don't try the system. This is our site. No one else has it. No one else can duplicate it. I never contact you first. I don't have a Telegram group. If you're not here through the safetytrade.com, through us, you're being scammed by somebody else. So don't do it. I mean, there is our other brokerage. Small. This is it. That's where you go to buy it, the safetytrade.com. Let's put this back and go to scan. The scanner's on our own website to be specific to you, and you're in the money on that trade. What leverage do you use? 1 to 500, depending. Good morning, Erica. Depending on what we're trading, but it's like on MetaTrader 4, it's 1 to 500. On Forex.com, you can't do more than 50. It would be 1 to 50 on Forex.com. Depends which one you're on. Thank you, Manuel, for speaking up. You trade all of that in Eagle FX? Yes, and other things. How much did you scan? The system's $575. The scanner's $50 a month for 2 rooms. I want learning what I have to do, Lucy asked. I can show you how to trade or just buy the system. And then after you buy the system, it's $575 a year. I train you on today's Monday. So at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there'll be a small group up to about 30 people. And then after that, around 3:30, you're going to see additional training is given live by me in small groups. So that's every week, once a week, you get at least live with me training. The one platform you run your scanner on TradingView, and again, I mentioned that to you. That's our platform. We have a virtual private server, 2 of them actually. Yes, at the Safe Trade it is. What you use it, and is that? Can you bring it down some? Cornelius.king. You can take it off if you want to down there. God, it says there was this. Oh, he meant bring it down some on the thing. I don't know what he meant. Oh my God. I hope he didn't mean bring it down some like with my tonality because that shit ain't happening. Fidel, can someone answer my question? Why is Fidel having a cow over here? Hey, Kevin, what's up, Texas?
He said yes.
Yes, he wants me to take it down some?
No, Fidel. He said yes. And then he said, can someone answer my question? Well, your question's not coming through.
I don't see your question, Fidel. Sorry, bro. And if you're trying to ask something that's silly or moronic, you'll be blocked and it won't come through. Morning, Thomas. Thank you, U.S. Oil Alert. Thank you, Sam. And some question. There is no question to answer, Fidel. Thanks, Thomas. 300%, 30 minutes left stop on gold. All right. Kim's calling out gold. We have to listen to Kim. Let's see. Hey, Kim, how does it feel to be replaced by a scanner? 30 minutes sell stop gold, right with the fill in the gap. I like that one, Kim. Let me check. Gold, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold 15, gold 30 minute, gold 1 hour sell stop, correct. Gold going down to its 4-hour blue line. Watch. There it is. That's what it's going to. Gold is also a daily buy stop. Daily buy stop. So 30, she is correct. Kim is always correct. All you do is open up a sell stop, boop, right here. And we just wait. If it comes back down, we make money on gold. If it doesn't come back down, we don't lose anything. But keep going up. That's how you play gold. Great call, Kim. Thank you for that. But me and Kim and everybody has been replaced by a scanner. I mean, the honest God truth is we have. that's the way life goes. And it can trade almost as good as me, and soon it will be when it finishes out the final thing it needs. It's going to come down further, form another buy stop opportunity for us in just a minute. So everyone hang out. We want this to drop down. See right here, This is much better. Where are we at in the 5 minute? Yeah, should come back over again. Buy stop, SPX 1 minute buy stop. Remember to get out after 1, 2, 3 pips. It's not down low enough. It is a fill in the gap buy stop for NAS, and it's a fill in the gap buy stop for USD, but it's not quite low enough. You can drop down further so you can make a little more money. Can always be the goal. Yes, you will. I know. Kim says, I know, right? Good morning. All system will change not only your trading, but your life. Absolutely, John C. Thank you, John C, for speaking up without being asked. Thomas Arden, let's go. Jason, same here. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, right, Jason. This weekend by me. 30 minutes still stop. Thomas, agreed. Hey, Thomas, I think we finally made it. Just answer my question. Fidel, there is no question to answer. Fidel, that me. Open what account first to move money so I can trade inside, safe to trade. Ed combo. We teach you all that. Is the scanner easy? Yes, very easy to use, Lucy. It's literally, let me show you again what the scanner looks like. You're going to be in the money very quickly on those calls I just made. The scanner itself, you look at it right here. Let's see if I can find one. The scanner is so easy to use. It's made, the whole system is made for beginners because you don't have to empty out anything. See this right here? If you can see that this is a spinning green up arrow, up means up, right? Green means buy in trading, and red means sell. This is looking for a buy. XPT buy. This is a 15-minute buy stop. Are you kidding? This is spectacular. You guys out there that have this scanner already need to be looking at these trades, click on the dang picture, and see if it is correct, which it is. And this thing is pulling out trade after trade to the blue lines of every one of these. Oh, my. Keith, Keith, you deserve every piece of glory you get from this scanner right here. Everything you deserve. So that's how easy this is to use. If you can understand the spinning up arrow means look for a buy, then you can use the scanner. It can be any easier to learn. That's it. And that's what you look for. It tells you the alert. It gives you the alert. It flashes them up on the screen. Let's see if there's any over here. Look, there's one right here. CHF, JPY, Chef Japan. Buy stop 3. You can click on it to look at the picture, but I always overrule the pictures. I always pull them up manually. Yep, correct. Buy stop to oh my gosh. Thing of holy crap. I don't know, guys. If I hear one person complain about this scanner, I'm not only going to kick you out, you're going to lose access to everything. If you have the nerve to say one complaint about this scanner, it ain't for you. Don't bother getting the system. This is the best, most advanced, easiest to use scanner in the history of the world. I won't tolerate one complaint. Buy stop, by the way. Buy stop all 3 indices. Look at how cool that is. Look at this. It's other than trading for you, which I'm never going to do, even if we can't make the E up to do it, we're not going to do that. Other than trading for you, I don't see how much better you can. LTC, BTC. Well, that's boom, buy, sell, sell. Spinning down arrow, sell stop. Sell stop 1. If you're not sure, click on the picture. That can help verify things for you or not. You come over here, you'll see that the setup is red, 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 green, red, red. That's correct. Oh, go into the blue line. Wow, I already did it twice though, but nonetheless, that's you to judge as a human being. You either take the trade or you don't. And there it is. Look at that. Holy tomato. Just gorgeous. You can create your own dashboard. That means you follow only the ones you want to follow. Right? So I have in here, oops, here. I have in here just a few. Oh, this is not even my account. I don't have it set up yet. We have multiple test accounts I use. This is one of those. You can set up just to watch. I love ERUSD, gold, the 3 indexes, US 30 NASDAQ. And that's what I watch right there. Yeah. Incredible. Incredible piece of technology is that scanner. In buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. US 31-minute buy stop. Let me see. NAS again too. 1 minute buy stop. Don't forget about your stop stops in the 5. I'm not going to play SPX. Bitcoin is coming back up to form us another sell stop. So our Bitcoin, what did it finally get down to? Wow, that was incredible. I don't know why I didn't think about selling Bitcoin prior. We are going to be, it's going to attract a lot of attention when they start seeing me make tens of thousands of dollars buying Bitcoin. They're going to go nuts. Damn, what you thought of this year? Well, where do you go to sign up? You come right over to here. Are you on TikTok? No, you're. I mean, right here. You sign up. Oh, you have a Euro Japan new alert. This is a Euro Japan sell stop one. EUR JPY 5 minutes sell stop one. Someone should check that out. In the meantime, trade.com is where you go to buy step by step instructions. What's up, Kaya? What's up, Ken? Where do we go to sign up? Right there. I'm sorry, did I miss some questions? Oh, okay. Good morning, Builder. Good morning. Open what account first? Ed Cambo. Open any account you want, but you're going to need either a demo or a live account. Eagle FX. You don't have to fund your live account, but the demo has to be used once a month, and that's what the system goes into. You're in the money, yo. You're in the money. You're in the money. Hold on. You're in the money on your NAS. Take the money. Get out of that trade. You don't have to stay open on that trade. Get out of that trade. I don't know about your NAS if you took that trade or not. If you did, you're in the money, and you're in the money on US 30. All three of them again. So you got to call here. We're up. No, this is 28 pips. You're up here again. You're up here if you entered again on US 30. You're in the money again at US 30. You're in the money again on NAS. I love these slow days. You're in the money again on SPX. You should be out of this trade if you took it as a beginner. That is not even a pip, and I don't care. You take your pip and get out. How you look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Do you see that? Do you see? Watch NAS. Look at it go up. There's NAS in the money again. Here's US 30 in the money. Go up, go up, go up in the money, in the money, in the money. Every one of these have formed a buy stop. Look at it right here. This is what you're seeing right now. This is the power of the system. So easy, made for beginners. And if you're experienced, you just have to unlearn everything you think you know about trading and relearn the easiest system on earth. Green, 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 red, green, green. Open up a buy stop, you're in the money. Get out of the trade. Same thing on US 30. Same thing on US 30. Green, 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 red. Green, green. And now this indicator that turned red is literally and not figuratively. You all have to say this whenever you buy the system. Everyone who ever learns the system has to also learn this. It's called the bullshit detector indicator because it's finding out the bullshit that's out there from these AIs that are trying to use against us. You're in the money, close down your SPX trade. You're in the money, close down your NAS trade. You're in the money, close down your US 30 trade. Close them down. Oh, you're in the money. How much? I don't know. You're up 8. Get it down. What am I? You're up 12. Point is, you made your money. Get out of the trade. At this day, when we're going so slow, dude, professional traders make 10 pips. You should be thrown out of your mind. You just made 12. Close them down and get out. Close them down and get out. Today ain't the day to hold nothing. All right. Morning, Antonio. And go through the steps and how it works. Absolutely, Erica. We teach you step by step how it works. 100%. And you also have Bree here that will help you also, Erica. Thank you for answering the questions, Ken. Where do we go to sign up? I answer on the scanner wisdom between SF and SS3. The difference is the scanner is literally reading. Watch. The scanner is literally reading as you make more and more money, by the way. One, it's reading the 1 minute and 5 minute charts at the same time, which none of you can do. And it's looking to see if the 5 minute is in the proper position. When it is, it's an SS1. If it's reading both of them at the same time and it's not, the 5 minute isn't in the correct position. It's still a perfect trade. It's just not as perfect. So it's a BS3. So a BS1 means the 1 minute, 5 minute aligned. The BS3 means the 1 minute aligns and 5 minute isn't close enough to the 5 minute line. The buy sell isn't close enough. So it's scanning 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 10, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily. It's scanning all of those for you at the same time. So when it's a 1 minute trade, when it says BS3 right there, That 1 minute trade is scanning the 1 minute, 5 minute. When you see this BS1, it's scanning the 5 minute, 15 minute and determining this is the correct one. So the BS1 is a little bit better than BS3, but a BS3 is still perfection. You don't have to worry about it. Just pull up your trade on a chart and verify it as a human being. Look at this. Now there's BS 15 minutes. Are you kidding me? And there's going to eventually be BS 1 hours and SS ones, SS3s. When you see those guys, you better jump in with 10 feet running. That's going to be the most beautiful trade you've ever seen in your life. Ever. Never can you outdo those. Oh, look, we have a gold buy stop and then call it out. Let's see what it looks like. Here it is how easy it's the scanners can use. Buy stop 1 minute. I don't know what this is. No, NAS. I think that's NAS. This is gold 5 minute buy stops. Let's pull up gold and take a look and see what it looks like. The scanner is striking it again, striking gold to us. Let's see what gold. 5 minutes. Correct. 1 minute sell stop gold to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop gold. 30-minute sell stop gold. We just did this with them. Daily buy stop gold. So it's a 1 minute sell stop to the line or a 5 minute buy stop, depending on how you want to look at things. That's what they're both equally correct. Matter of fact, that's a BS1. Is that what it called? It did. It called a BS1. This is correct. Yep. 5 minute, 15 minute doesn't negate the fact that there is a 30-minute sell stop, but you would put your buy stop up here. So you'll learn that when you get the system, and then you just wait. If it goes up and hits it, great, you make money. If it doesn't, and other ones come in first, you make money that way. It doesn't matter. That's the whole why we use these things, so we don't get caught. Look at your money. You're in so much money on this trade, depending on which entrance you made. Either 20 pips on US 30, close it down unless you opened up more than one, or you're up 18 pips on US 30. NAS buy stop 1 minute. You're in the money on NAS on SPX. You should close where you got in. You're up a pip. Perfection again. Green, 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 red, green, green. Perfect. If you can see that, you're going to make your money. 30, green, 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 red, green, green. You're in the money. So there you go. Major money. Everyone out there should have made money. So if it's a 1 minute buy, it's to the blue line now. So if it's a one or a three, yes, Kim. If it's a one or this, I'm going to show you the full power. Everyone on TikTok, go over to YouTube. This is the full power of the scanner. You're going to see hundreds of things and usually dozens of things spinning. When you see the power of the scanner, you can't help but be totally 100% amazed that this scanner is scanning all these symbols at one time. So, for instance, is a buy stop one, Kim, means that it is scanning you to chef 1 minute and 5 minute. It means they're both perfect. When it's a BS3, it's still a to the blue line trade. It just means the higher timer, in this case, the 5 minute isn't perfect. But it's still, look at this. Just look at the power of the scan. Anyone who ever, you don't understand, you just have to see this and look at Deutsch, SS3. Pull it up on your chart. See it. Red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line. Perfection call. Perfecting call right there. Perfect call. And the reason it's a three because on the higher time frame, it is not perfect on the one. You don't have to have it that way. It's just that I'm picky. And I asked Keith to do that, and he did that. Where now we can differentiate between an exceptionally great trade and a great trade. That's all it is. Look at all the stocks it trades at once. Not today, of course, but over almost 60 different stocks. 60 different. That's insane. And with 100% accuracy, scanner goes, mistakes you're ever going to make is human error, not us. The machine itself is calling exactly what it should, whether you enter in the pathway or not. God, here's another one. That's that gold one right there. Still spinning. Just perfection. All right. So let's put that away. Boop. Look at the money you just made on that US 30 call. Speaking of which, you're in the money again on NAS. You should be out of your trades on SPX. Look at SPX go up. Look at it. Before your very eyes is called. Where did Lauren go? Where did what's the trade go? Being called. I know. I wasn't today. I was done for the day 30 minutes after waking up. Isn't that awesome, Moto? Congratulations, Moto. What's up, Mark Davies from Mexico? Why don't you all say where you're from? Go ahead. We're outside of Atlanta, Georgia, United States. What's up, Michael? This is a bank holiday. I like these slow fucking days. Look how easy it is to make the trades. This is so much slower. I can show you guys these trades before they have. Look at it. Another in the money on NAS. Major money on SPX. Look at this. US 30. Look at the money. How much more do you guys want? Look at it. Bingo, popo, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop in the money. All morning long. We talked about your software, Michael, from South Africa. Gulf Shores. I want to go to Gulf Shores. You got a beautiful Tim. South Africa, Cobus. I'm from California, Luce says. So, Luce, I sure hope you understand and see how easy this system is. It's beyond easy. Somerset, Southwest, Johannesburg, South Africa, UK, here, Oklahoma City. Peter, we went through Oklahoma City. Nothing against Oklahoma, Peter P, but it's windy, and it wasn't our favorite state. Long Island, New York. Oh, my best friend's in Staten Island. One of my best friends. Trading with Kevin from Orlando. Georgia, we're down in Orlando area all the time. Indiana. Oh, you're near my home state of Ohio, Kimberly. South Africa, South Africa, do. From California. Lucy's from California. Cobus, South Africa. Saga's from Australia. Sucks and blows. Peter. Peter P says Oklahoma City sucks and blows. I'm not going to argue with them. There was literally nothing after it. Los Angeles. Look, here's where everybody's from. So they're pulling up for you. Tornadoes are kind of fun, though. You better have a tornado shelter, Peter. Don't be messing around with tornadoes, brother. You have big ones out there, too, boy. What's up, Metal 940? Here come the UK and bring. Oh, awesome. Thank you, Moto. Appreciate that. Venice, Italy, Stefan. All right, Stefan, that's it. I've never visited and I'm Italian. I got to go. Weather today, yesterday. Lewis says, so enjoyed the weather yesterday. Boston. Oh, Boston. Been to Boston. Each his own. California morning, sir and Brie. Morning, Metal Mine. I have a lawn chair and a six pack. Peter P, you can't fuck around with those tornadoes, bro. Those tornadoes will get you. Oh, oh. Antonio's from Colombia. What's up, Colombia? You do crypto on Coinbase, and yeah, that'll work. One of our guys, where's Tommy's trades at? We need to pull those up. Find those. Is this Tommy's trades right here where he made 21,000? All right. Here is Tommy's trades. One of our guys who's an expert with the system. Super good man, very kind man. Here's his trades on Thinkorswim. I don't want a mistake on him. These are his last trades he made the other day on 524. He made $65,000 profit. Nope, these weren't options. These were direct ones. My bad. Sorry. This is Tommy 90% of the time does options. He was trading full 10 lot sizes on German 30. I'm sorry. These are not his. We can find his options. This is just some of his trades. I'm so sorry. We need to pull up the options. We need to have those too, like options. Hmm. Any Canadian on here now? They're giving some insight. Yes, it absolutely works in Canada. And yes, there's probably people. Anybody from Canada on now? Who's those guys from Canada? North guy. There's more than that. Any Canadians? Buy stop again, Naz, by the way. Trackers so close, you know where to go. It's massive force of nature. They are somewhat predictable. Okay, good point, Peter. I just want you safe, brother. That's all. Marty M. Yes, Canada here. I don't know how the hell to do this. Dudes, if you're asking for help, Michael on TikTok, go over to YouTube. You go over to YouTube. You'll see Marty from Canada here, right there. He said he's here. Are you using this? Is Marty using a system?
Yeah.
Marty's using a system from Canada, and we have more than that. We have a dozen people. They're not on, but there's at least a dozen or more people, way more than that, I suspect, from Canada who use the system. Yes. So if you go over to YouTube, the safety trade, and then go over there, you can talk to Marty. Yes, uses. Thank you, Marty, for speaking up, sir. Appreciate that. So, Michael, did you hear that? Head over to YouTube and then talk to Marty because you're asking for help. Buy stop about to form again. Let me see something. Ooh, that's a beautiful looking. Oh, I'm tempted for the 5 minute. 5 minute sell stop, NAS 100. Where's all my things at? Five, all right, come on now. Hold on. I like that one too. Never going to hit that one though. All right. Fine. NAS 100, 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell. US SPX 1 minute fill in the gap buy. US there's no hope. Look at your US 30. Depending on entry, you're up either 30 pips or you're up 25 pips. All depends on what you decide to pull in. Michael, you're the one that asked the question, bro. I answered it and now you left. That's kind of weird. Okay. What else we got? Maybe a yeah, buy stop 1 minute NAS. There is a 5 minute sell stop for NAS also, and how you want to play it. But I would stick with that 1 minute buy for now. But from Switzerland. What's up, Switzerland? Fran 6. Me and Bri are from Mikey. Hey, Marty, can we talk about the.
Software.
Oh, that's Mikey. He went over there. Here on YouTube. What's up, Mike? And if you want to get the alerts, head over to YouTube, sign up for the alerts, or go to my to the website, thesafetytrade.com. It's there too. I stop NAS. I stop NAS. Da, 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 da. I'm in one long buy stop. We're in the money on the GBP USD trade, by the way. The scanner called out. Let's check out GBP USD. GBP USD right here. And we're in the money. Oh, hell yeah, we are. There's our buy stop that we called out live on the trade this morning. We were up 10 pips. Currently, we're up not. Currently, we're up 5. We'll lock this with it. And then zippity do it on. Zippity. Let it do whatever it's going to do and play out. I'm going to close this one down. And we're going to stay right there. We're in the money on that. What else? US 30s are just printing money. I don't have any problem with that. Okay. Scanner fired off oil if oilers want to know. Okay, Lewis says scanner fired off oil. Let's take a look at oil. I'm not sure which time. There is a U.S. oil buy stop 3, U.S. oil buy stop 3. The scanner is calling out another trade. Yet another trade this morning for us. U.S. oil, 1 minute. That is 100% correct call. Yep, correct call. And there still is a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop on oil. There is a 1 hour buy stop on oil. And there is a 4 hour daily sell stop on oil to the weekly blue line. And then there is a weekly blue buy stop. This is absolutely correct. We should watch this. 1 minute buy stop oil, thing of beauty, perfectly called out by the scanner. We also have a new call. We have the new safety trade. Oh, XA, 1 minute sell stop. Let's go over there. And where is it? I'm laughing because that's something I looked at a while ago. There it is, U.S. oil, and there's XAUG sell stop one. XAUG. Look at that too if you like, and see about that for becoming a sell stop. I mean, there it is. You just sit here, watch your scanners all morning long, and make money. That's all you do. You sit here. You have to do as a human being override any U.S. oil call or gold call or anything else. You have to learn the system, understand it, go ahead and make that call or not. And it goes up or it doesn't. Like, no, I have done I have live account on Black Bull Market out of New Zealand for legal reasons. Live accounts are mostly funded in USD anyways. Good morning, Kev. USD CAD 15-minute movement. Anthony asked. Oh, I thought you said no, can't chat later. That's funny. You're in live trades right now. Oh yeah, absolutely, I am. No, well, a tick technically is a candle movement. A would be the same thing as a pip. Correct. You're looking at points on indices and ticks on. Does that make sense to you? So there is a difference, kind of, because the tick is technically. Yes, I'm in these three right here. Trades. I'm just plus right here. It would be USD index. Oh, and I'm also in. Oh, holy shit! Yeah. Hold on a second. Kind of forgot about our Bitcoin. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna take a look at some of the trades we're in. These are the trades that were $500 a few minutes ago. People here as a witness. Bitcoin, $3,300 on a $17,000 account. You can see the entrances where I made the entrances to the trades. You can see the two trades that are open. You can see the time frames are open. You can see the whatever the hell time frame stamp that is. You can see their cells. You can see the size of the lot. You can see you have to make up so much money on Bitcoin. $1,800, $3,300 total. So those trades are open, and I forgot completely because I have multiple accounts open different computers all over the place. But I'm any desking in to one of my things, and this was actually higher than that a minute ago. It was actually over 3,600 just a second ago. There it is, 3,500. There it is, 3,500. There it goes to 3,600. Anybody watching? Bitcoin in the money. You want to trade? I'm only going to trade Bitcoin in this account from now on. So you guys will have at least one Bitcoin going all the time. Why? Because I think it's fun because people are so fast with Bitcoin. System works on Bitcoin. System works. Look at it before your very eyes. $3,800, $4,000 before buy the damn system. $4,000 made before your eyes. Buy the damn that literally just went up $500 before your eyes. There you go. Make your money. Buy the damn system. There's your live trades, Jake Con, whatever your name is. Wow. Wow. Look at that. This is $1 per point. Correct. Correct. But the problem comes in that's a little incorrect because the same 1 inch movement on US 30, let me be specific to you. SPX, for instance, when it goes up from here to here, the density, the volume density, this is 1.79. So that's not even 2 pips. This same movement right here to here on US 30 is 30 pips. So while they're a dollar each, the movement inside of that 1 inch is much denser on US 30, about 10 to 1, actually. And NAS is between. I stop 1 minute now. Go up. The SPX has already done it multiple times. US 30 or look at oh my look at it go up before your very eyes again. I told you it's going to the 30-minute blue line this morning and last night over 15 hours ago. Here's the 15-minute already blew past the 15 minute, which you guys saw multiple times. Now it's going to go up and touch the 30-minute. You can see it doing it right now. Take every buy stop along the way on US 31 minute, and you're going to see it make money. Every time, all morning long, this has been called out live for you. Fill in the gap buy stop, a regular buy stop. That's US 30. Let's see what NAS did. Still a buy stop. We still have time. This is SPX. Buy stop in the money. Buy stop filling the gap in the money. There's SPX. They all move together. They're all doing it. Just let it work. It's magic. It'll be, perfect in just a matter of time. Now, where are we at with, yeah, this is, yep, just finished going up again. Wow. Incredible. Just incredible. Look at US 30. Boom, baby. Look at that. We're up, look, crazy money on Bitcoin. How to get the system. You head over to here. There's a lot of scammers, so be careful. A ton of scammers are out there now. Tons of them. Another trade on thing. Head over to here. You go right here to the only place that no one can scam, the safetytrade.com. That is our site. Scammers only can hope they can get a hold, but they can't. You go over to the safetytrade.com, and that's where you buy the system at. 575 for the year. And if you want the scanner, it'd be $50 for 2 rooms a month. You can get $200 a month for the scanner, but it's not necessary. You don't have to watch that many different things. Just get 2 rooms, $50 a month. And that's a joke. A joke. By the way, this worked out perfectly. That really works up. Yep. There it is. Safetytrade.com is where you go to. And by the way, I have other trades going live if you're interested. Sorry, I forgot to show you the rest of those. In order, this is a trade on another account right here. This account right here started at, shoot, this one was less than $500 on Friday, I believe. We're at $3,200 in one trade, $149 on a buy in US 30, $100 on a buy in US 30, $1.92 on GBP USD. These are some more trades I'm also called out live, called out live, called out live. I've done no trades here. I've done no trades in the last 10 months except for what you see live on YouTube. It's over how many videos do we have to do? 500 something, 500 something YouTube videos. It's a YouTube video channel right here. And right here. And as you can see, I'll have to go back. Hold on, let me go back to here. If you type in my YouTube channel, you go over to the YouTube channel, it looks like this. You'll see over here on the YouTube channel itself, 536 videos, all live, all uneditable. I can't edit any of these videos. They're all done live. Every trade I've ever placed for the last month has been done on these videos. You want to see my win rate? You can watch these or ask the people who are currently on my win rate. I'm not going to do it. And there's our live, and that's what it is. That Bitcoin is just paying. Look at it go up. Oh, yo, yo. The buy stop on US 30 that was just called out here a few minutes ago is now up almost 50 pips. The SPX also, look at it. You're going to get another chance to go up real soon right here before your very eyes. Watch it go up. And then you're going to see NAS also go up right before your very eyes, all along on a slow day, on a bank holiday in US markets. There's no US money. But I like it. It's so much slower for you guys to be able to see these trades to me. Like hard for you guys to miss when I'm calling these out. It really is super, super, super easy to me to see these trades. Look at that. Mother. Woo. Thing up, beauty. Dot, dot, dot. Is this live on YouTube? Yep. Yeah, it's live on YouTube. Did I not just go over YouTube? Okay, let's go again.
The channel is right on your screen. YouTube, the Safe Trade.
Really now? Come on. Nah, that ain't cool. You got to be able to see that it says the safetrade.com, not a financial advisor, YouTube, the same. I have to spell out YouTube. Anywho, here it is, and yes, it's live. It's live on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook Live sometimes. Buy stop now is 100, 1 minute, by the way. And there it is. There's it. I could have swore I just posted this up. Didn't I just talk about this? That's a safety trade. There it is. Okay. We can't see the chart. Fuck, you can't. What can't you see? Yeah, because I have the thing up. That's right. Now you can see the chart. Send me yours. I will add you. Just mine. GBB odds. GBB odds. Thank you. GBB odds. GBB odds. GBB AUD. GBB. I'll forget it. It's quicker if I just pull the damn shit. Hold on. Let me pull it up. By the way, you can see SPX going up before your very eyes. GBB crosses. Oh, it's not even open. That is why it's not there. I don't even have it open there. You open it up, pull over to here, and I don't know what. Oh, look at that! 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Boom, fill in the gap. 15 minute sell stop. Look at this thing of beauty right here. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. GBP. Beautiful. Going to the weekly buy stop blue line. Beautiful trade. I hope you made some money on that, Kim. Let me see what we want to see. Bitcoin. Oh, we have even more money. Yep, $4,187. Goodness gracious. So the Bitcoin play seems to be working out well for you guys. So everyone out there that likes to play Bitcoin, I'm going to play Bitcoin in one of my accounts all the time for you from now on. Now you guys will see at least some Bitcoin trades. I never used to do it, but attention is Bitcoin. So I'll do Bitcoin all the time. There it is. There it is. I'm going to do da, 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 locking in the profit at this point, and there it is. Da, 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 da. And there's your $4,000 trade. So have fun. I love me some Bitcoin. Boy, Bitcoin. People are going to go nuts over Bitcoin price. I forgot all about how much they love that shit. Did you short it? Yes, those are sell stops. I don't know how to read that. Those are sell. The type is a sell, which is a short in your mind. Just red means down. Look at it go down. The absolute beginner's guide. The system is made for beginners or experienced traders like Tommy and Gordon who have open minds. You have to get rid of the shit you think you know and get rid of it. Watch. Bitcoin was easy to sell. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Boom, straight down it went. And there's your money. Now, Bitcoin on MT4 is a pain in the ass. I should really change it somewhere else. There it is. Red, 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 green. These are your indicators. I'll show you exactly how you can never lose this trade forever. Who is this? Ink. This is ink swimming in the ocean. That little green dot means up. So in our business, green is up, red is down. So for ink, he's swimming in the ocean, trying to stay above. Then it is crazy. Then comes Larry, this red indicator, the real direction indicator. So ink is in the bullshit detector indicator. We're reading this green as fake, it's false, a fake out, right? So this is green. Then Larry comes in and grabs one of Ink's arms while Ink's trying to swim in the ocean and stay above, right? And then comes down Joe, and then comes down Mike. So there's one has an arm, one has an arm, one has a leg. So there's three people pulling Ink under the water. And you're going to see, oh, as Bitcoin goes up. Again, we don't stay in the trade. You just take your money and get the fuck out. This is another one pushing it down. Then you have Kimberly Harrington pushing down. The candle is actually blue inside of here. Our logo and our red arrow up here. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things pushing and pulling down on this trade back here. The trade has no choice but to go down like this. Now you're going to see it come back up, arch up, touch this thing right here, and come back down and do it again. It's going to form another safety trade just like this. And that's what it's going to do all day long. That's what it does. So when you have 9 things pushing down against you, you can't possibly go up. It's impossible. And the trade had no chance to go up, and it didn't go up, and it went down, and that was Bitcoin. This is great. Thank you, Larry. So now you're going to see me on Bitcoin left and right. Buy stop in the money again on US 30. Buy stop in the money again on NAS 100, which you guys all had at least 30 minutes to make money on. Buy stop again in the money on. So the opposite holds true if you're going to go up. So right now, the bullshit detector indicator, yes, that's a technical name for the indicator, is saying this is bullshit, the red. So this now is you, ink, trying to dive to the bottom of a pool and get a penny. So this is ink red going down fakely. Underneath that, he has Marty pushing up on him underneath the pool. Then you have Mike pushing up, and then you have Lewis pushing up. So there's three grown men trying to not let him go down. Then you have this green, which means up, up, up with the green, up with our green line, up with our green arrow right there, up with our logo right here. And if you go over to the 5 minute, you can have 23 of these. Literally, you have one fake indicator pushing down, and you have a dozen pushing up just on the 1 minute, and we can go to the 5 minute. So it's basically 12 pushing up against one down. So it's going to go up. It had no choice to go up, and it went up. Not only did it do it right there at SPX, it did it right here, the same exact trade right here, green, 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 red, green, green, and it went up. And that's US 30, and that's why we're in the money on these trades right here, either 50 pips, or if you got in here somewhere about 40 pips. And there was no way that trade was going down. Impossible. It didn't go down. And whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading indices, whether you're trading Forex, or whether you're trading stocks, the same system works on everything, and that's how it works. It couldn't possibly go down. This trade had no chance to go down. It didn't go down, and it wouldn't have gone down, and it wouldn't have gone down because it'd have to go against 23 different, up to 23 indicators. Impossible. Wasn't going to happen. And that's how you do the trade. There you go. Would love the scanner. It was going off all week. I know, Lewis. Isn't that incredible? You're right. They would love it. Check just added you a message. Yes, sir. Nice to have with your floating charts does the same to so no, no, it does not. Mine seem to do fine. What I have problems with on the floating charts is when I make trades, sometimes these trades don't show on the other account, the other charts. So if I make trades, they don't show it. If I'm in one on a 5 minute, it might not activate or show. It will activate it, but it won't show the buy stops or the sell stops. That's the only issue I have with floating charts. They're not 100% in my case, 100% accurate. I don't have any lags on mine per se, but yes, when it's just not as fun. I like it to be a little more so I can see my trades in and out more accurately. That's all. But whatever. That's the complaint I have with it. But I love them. I would never change. From now on, I'm never inside of my thing. I put floating charts anywhere. So I can put floating charts on my oh, I can't go over there. Any three of my monitors. Put the floating charts on is just amazing. I love the floating charts. I love the floating. Tap this out of one of our take profits on Bitcoin. We only have one trade open now. So I'll put this right above here like this. And we're going to wait. So we took profit on one of the trades on Bitcoin. We only have one trade open now, and it's only up $1,900. I say that sarcastically. Okay, anybody on TikTok, YouTube have any questions? What time is it, Precious? Oh shit! Oh my god! And I got people today. Okay, I went too long. All right, heading over to YouTube. I'm gonna make out the final calls. I'm gonna go over to YouTube. I'm gonna call out signals, free signals for US 30. That's USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, US oil, and gold. I'm going over there now. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? Anybody have questions? Any before I go? US oil. Thank you, Caleb. Buy stop, he's saying. All right. TikTok, anything? I'm heading over to YouTube. TikTok, anything? I'm heading over to YouTube. Going once. TikTok, any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube. Going twice. Lucy, you can't just buy the scanner by itself. The scanner is $50 a month, but you'd have to buy the system first for $575. In order to get the system, you just go over here. And that's the system. And then after you get the system, you can buy the scanner. Can I be in the training today? Nope. You have to be in it 12 hours before. Unless you've already bought the system, then yes. So if you're not in the system, then no. What about the investment? You don't use any. You're going to use demo money the first month, preferably two, where you trade SPX only and you use demo. You'll use demo. Trade and do something after that first month or two. $200 to get you trading SPX. Just put it in the MetaTrader 4 account, the Eagle FX account, or wherever you want to trade, and then trade with that. Now, if you're using options, you can trade anywhere you want the amount of money. I don't care. Whatever it is. Your money. Okay. Anything else, Lucy or Michael? And over to you. Thank you, Kevin. Talk to you soon. Yes, Michael. You're welcome. What time is the training, Kev? Is for newbies? It's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for newbies. The advanced training for people who've already had their first classes at 3. Lucy will pay for herself. Trust me. Thank you, D. Nice, for speaking up without being asked. Let me show you that. And it's going to be about 3:30 today. Lucy, this person over here just spoke up without being asked. I appreciate that. Lucy will pay for itself. Get it. And I'm sure there's about another 20 to 30 people that speak up without being asked. Nice. Thank you. Nice. It's easy to set up the scanner. Yeah, the scanner's no setting up. The scanner's set up. You get paid for it and you get access to it, and the scanner's there. You're accessing our private website on a virtual private network. Does anybody else want to contribute to what D Nice said about Lucy getting the system? Hint, hint. Anyone at all? Oh, all right, Lucy. Good luck. You should go to YouTube anyways. See my final signals I'm giving out. You should go to YouTube and become a sub, and then you should go ahead and uh, actually subscribe to everything. Get the alerts. Any of you that are interested in. Lewis says, I can't believe I can make trades in between patients. The doc can trade in between patients with the system. Best investment ever, Lucy. It's doubled my money system and change your life. Okay. Yes, Lucy. Okay, Lucy. Those people are all talking to you, by the way. Yes, get it. You will be a millionaire if you follow the rules. Correct, Billy Harrington, who I think has retired once, not twice from her job. All right, guys. See you on TikTok. Bye. All right, YouTube. Any questions on YouTube before I whip through all those things? God, I forgot I gotta do. Okay, Maria. Where we at right here? We can make this full screen now. Boop. All right. Once you learn the rules, it's mind blowing, says D Man. Absolutely agreed. Be nice, D Man. That's funny. All right. Anybody have any questions on YouTube before I run through all these signal call outs? Anyone at all? I'll call out a whole bunch in a row. 1 minute buy stops, by the way, on the in this. Yeah. All right. Message retracted. Yes, you get it. Okay, here we go. 1 minute buy, stop all 3 indices, but we'll come back to that later. Bitcoin. Gee, I don't know. Is it going to go down today? Bit, 1 minute sell stop. 5 minutes. It's just so 5 minutes. 15 minute. It's not going to go to 15 minute. I don't think. Not anyways. 30 minute Bitcoin. 30 minute buy stop. 1 hour buy stop. 4 hour. Daily buy stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop. Ethereum. 15 minutes. I'm going to go to a 30, I think. 30 minute buy stop Ethereum. 4 hour, nothing. Daily buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. XRP. XRP 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line is about to touch it. Oh, that's so beautiful. I think we're going to get to touch this. Touched last time too, but 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. XRP. 5 minute. 15 minute. 15 minute buy stop XRP. 30 minute. Fill in the gap. 1 hour buy. Daily buy to the blue line. Daily buy to the blue line XRP. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop XRP. EUR USD. Euro. 1 minute. 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. Sell stop. I don't know if it'll hit the blue line or get closer though. 5 minute sell stop EUR USD. 30-minute you should have did. It did it this morning. 1 hour you should have did it this morning. Come on. 1 hour, 4 hour film. So the 4 hour blue line sell stop. Hey guys, is that getting pretty close? Look at it. Pretty close to me. ERUSD buy stop to the blue line. ERUSD buy stop to the blue line daily. Weekly ERUSD sell stop to the monthly blue line sell stop. USF's the complete opposite. GBP USD 1 minute buy stop worked out. 5 minute to the 5 minute blue line. 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute sell stop. 30 minute sell stop. GBP USD 30 minute sell stop. 4 hour fill in the gap. Daily buy stop. GBP USD daily buy stop. GBP USD weekly sell stop to the ERUSD blue line. Monthly sell stop. GBP USD. GBP JPY 1 minute buy stop. 5 minute nothing. 15 minute. Look how beautiful that was. 30 minute buy. 1 hour. 30 minute 1 hour buy. So much. Listen to me on these longer calls. They're so easy. I'm not a financial advisor, but well, weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line. Been calling that out for a fucking month. U.S. oil 1 minute buy stop, 5 minute sell stop, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, 15 minute gap sell stop, 30 minutes, 30 minutes nothing, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop down to the blue line. Again, weekly buy stop, but it's a daily sell stop to the weekly blue line. Monthly buy stop, gold, gold, 1 minute sell to the blue line for like 50 minutes of time. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold, 5 minute buy stop. Gold, 30 minute. 30 minute 1 hour sell stop. Gold. I can't really hear anything called out. Daily buy stop. Gold. And that's it. That's what you got. Now we'll go back to 1 minute buy stop. 15 minute buy stop. SPX. Look at this. How much better and easier can you make a trade than what you're seeing right there? 4 hour buy stop in the money. I can't do any more. Look at this. Look at this money you've made. Look at it. From this trade, and I already saw 450, but in this trade, we were up 900 pips in silver. There's no way I can keep that mess with US 31 minute buy stop, 5 minute US 30. It's too long. You guys are picking up pennies now. It's going to be to the 30 minute blue line. Play every 1 minute buy stop you can to the 30 minute blue line of US 30. That's where it's going to go to or come closer to. That's where it's going to. Capiche? And that's where it's going. No, it's going to keep going up. Nope. And you have a 4 hour sell. Then you'll see the 4 hour sell stop engage, and then it'll come back down again. And then you'll play the 1 minute sell stops on the way down. Lordy. All right. How do you get the system? Literally up on your screen right now. Thank you for posting it. Oh, this is the way. Gosh, right here, safetytrade.com. You can see both because you're up on both. This is literally safetytrade.com. So what am I supposed to do? So they can't see the safetrade.com. They can't see YouTube safe trade. I don't understand what people look at. Okay. Well, anywho. All right. Good luck and God bless. All right, guys. Any other questions before we go? I mean, the safetytrade.com. What am I supposed to put? Okay. All done. Thank you, guys. God bless. Talk to you later. Have a great Memorial Day. Enjoy it. Have fun.
Bye.
Boy, that was a blast. We had a perfect day. This was absolute perfection. Perfection. Every call correct, everything easy. This is just it's so slow, so much easier for them to see.